Does your printer suffer from issues like jamming, poor print quality, strange clicks and noises, or a complete failure? Whoa! Now before you reach for the hammer, it is worth giving us a call. We specialise in the maintenance of laser printers, copiers, fax machines and wide format printers. We provide fixed price, economical repairs and servicing for all makes and models, and we'll keep your printer working at peak performance. Your peace of mind is important to us, so for a single nominal charge, we can support your printer throughout the year with the minimum of downtime. Our printer support program is called Protect 8 and provides 2 preventative maintenance services each year, as well as unlimited call-outs for those irritating issues. If you'd like to know more, or if you need to book an engineer now, give us a call.